Today I'm going to show you how to make sour cream chicken enchilada casserole. And make sure you get a large bowl, and you're going to take a 20-ounce can of green chili enchilada sauce. It's a really large can. Then you're going to take 16 ounces of sour cream. And a 7-ounce can of diced green chilies. You're going to blend this all together so it's nice and smooth. Alright, we'll move this to the side for just a moment. Now you're going to need a 9x13 casserole dish. Spray it with nonstick spray so you don't have a hard time cleaning it later. And you're going to take a little bit of the sauce mixture and pour just a little on the bottom. Spread it out a little. Now you might not use all your sauce. It depends how thick and how you want the consistency of your casserole. You don't want it too runny though. Then you're going to take corn tortillas. You're going to take 3. You're going to lay it down on top of the sauce, just like so. And you're going to need 3 cups of cooked shredded chicken. You're going to do 3 layers, so it'll be about a cup on each. You're going to sprinkle on top of the chicken. Right on top of the tortillas here. Then you're going to take Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to use about 3 cups, 1 cup per layer. And you sprinkle the cheese. I use almost 2 packages of 2 8-ounce packages of Monterey Jack cheese when I make mine. And then you're going to repeat the layers. So now you're going to put more sauce. Just kind of drizzle it over. It doesn't have to be perfect. Take 3 more corn tortillas. You should use 9 tortillas. Just like so. And more chicken. Your cheese in. And more sauce. Spread it a little bit. Then do your last layer. 3 more corn tortillas. just like so. And then the last of your chicken. Now you can use more chicken if you like, but I only use 3 cups of 3 layers. And cheese. Then the last of your sauce, right on top. Spread it around really good. Make sure your tortillas are covered. You don't want them drying out. Alright. Then the last, you want to top it with cheese. Now you're going to bake this at 350 degrees, uncovered, for 55 minutes. Alright, we have taken it out of the oven, and as you can see, it's golden brown on top, hot and bubbly. You can serve this with chips and salsa, rice and beans, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.